In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust fillable PDF field positions in Adobe Acrobat Pro, whether you're on a Windows or a Mac. Making sure your fillable PDF forms are well organized and easy to use is vital, and adjusting field positions can help significantly in achieving that. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once the software is open, locate and open the document that you intend to turn into a fillable form. This part sets the foundation for everything else, and it's crucial that the document is ready and easily accessible. Next, navigate to the global toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you'll see a tab labeled All Tools. Go ahead and click on this tab. From the list of tools available, you'll need to select Prepare a Form. This tool is essential because it allows you to modify, create, and prepare your document for fillable fields. This user-friendly feature is designed to simplify customizing your PDF forms significantly. Once you have engaged the Prepare a Form tool, look over your document for the specific fillable field that you want to reposition. Click on that particular field. It's important to be precise here, as selecting the right field is key to ensuring you move the element you intend to. This step forms the crux of customizing your form fields, making them align correctly according to your needs. Now, with your chosen field highlighted, it's time to reposition it. Simply click and hold your mouse on the field you've selected, then drag it to your desired location. Click and drag operations are intuitive, so you should find this straightforward. As you move the field, consider the layout and usability of your form. Ensuring that your fields have enough space and are aligned properly will enhance both the appearance and functionality of your document. While moving your field, pause and assess if the position is optimal for anyone who will be filling out the form. Consider the flow of information and whether the new arrangement makes sense. A well-organized form can greatly improve the user's experience, making it easier for them to navigate and input information correctly. And that's it. You've successfully repositioned a fillable field in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By harnessing these straightforward steps, you can ensure your PDF forms are user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, the key to creating effective forms lies in how seamlessly users can interact with them. Whether it's for professional use or personal projects, repositioning your fillable fields can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.